भाई, आज आप वर्ल्ड बुक फेयर 2023 प्रगति मैदान न्यू दिल्ली में आए हैं हमारे साथ। तो आप थोड़ा सा अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करेंगे कि आज आपकी बुक जो है हमारे स्टॉल पर है और आज आपका ऑथर शूट भी चल रहा है और अभी हम यहाँ पर आपस में कॉन्वर्सेशन कर रहे हैं और आपका 25th को बुक लॉन्च भी हुआ था और उसमें आपको एक पेन डाउन ऑथर एक्सीलेंस अवार्ड भी मिला था। तो इतने सारे जो आपके साथ मोमेंट्स हुए हैं, तो हाउ आर यू फीलिंग राइट नाउ?
Thank you for inviting on this book launch event. Everybody having a feeling that sometime, someday he will become an author. But when I became an author, and I didn't get that feeling, honestly. But when my book launch happened after some days, so that day I was having in a feeling that I am in cloud 9, and the feeling was of next level. And that was the very first day on first time that I have spoken in front of multiple people on that stage. So that I would say that that fear of public speaking has been eliminated on that day. I would say that has been deleted from my dictionary on that day. So that was one of the biggest feeling I would have.
Great.
And next feeling, but I have experienced that once you are become an author, your perception become changed in front of your people, in front of your family, friends, and among the circle as well. And this I have been experiencing in last few days. And my journey of writing the book has started in the COVID, when COVID was happening in 2020. So after writing the book, I was feeling that that's a task that has to be completed. I have done it. But I have never thought that this book will give me a next level of respect among the peer members. And the most important thing is that it has helped me to build the authority among my business group as well. So when I say something, people means to it now. So that is the most important thing which has happened. That's all.
अब मैं जानना चाहूँगा कि आपकी जो हमारे साथ जर्नी रही, जिस दिन आपके दिमाग में थॉट आया था बुक राइटिंग का और आज आपकी बुक जो यहाँ पर है और आपको अवार्ड भी मिला, लॉन्च भी हुआ, तो ये जो जर्नी रही कैसी रही पेन डाउन प्रेस के साथ और मेरे साथ, इसके बारे में कुछ बताना चाहेंगे?
ओके, सो सबसे पहले तो मैं आपको बताऊंगा, जब मैंने फर्स्ट ड्राफ्ट बुक का लिखा तो मुझे ये फियर था मेरी बुक पढ़ेगा कौन। मैंने इस वजह से आई हैव रिटन मल्टीपल बुक्स, आई हैव रिटन better and better version of that. So during this process, that the book which I was supposed to be write, the target was not to write 50-60 pages. That went up to 170 pages.
Oh.
So then again, a new thought came to my mind. So if the book is so thick, who will going to read it? Let's make it in a one-time read, so that if somebody is sitting, he or she should finish it in one sitting. In one sitting. So that was an idea. So then I reduced it to 70 pages after removing lot of content. And the final version, when it came out, it is around 70 pages, 50 or 55 or 70 pages. I don't remember the exact number. But now, so the important part was that I was having a continuous support from the Pen Down Press that I can be an author. So that was a motivation factor which was continuously driving me by the Pen Down Press. And the second thing, you gave me a framework to write that book. That was of I would say that actually gave me the clarity how book must be structured. So I would say that I have a very good journey with Pen Down and especially with you while creating this book, and which has given, so rolling out in a book, I would say it's not an easy thing. Now I feel that I am already ready with 3 more books, that the content of those books are ready. So now I feel that the day I will give it to you, within a week it will be out. So I don't have that fear in my mind now.
Now you are confident.
Yes, I would say thanks to you for deleting that fear of writing the book. And one fear I already have told you, that speaking in front of the public, that was another big fear which has been broken on that day, on 25th of February.
Thank you. That's great. So आप कुछ बताएं कि ये जो बुक है आपकी, ये किसको पढ़नी चाहिए और उनको क्या मिलेगा? थोड़ा 2 लाइन में अगर आप ये बताना चाहें।
ओके, this book is specially written for the business owners. मैंने क्या देखा है अपनी 17 ईयर की करियर की जर्नी में कि every business owner have so many ideas and they know how to grow their company, but when it comes to execution they feel stuck. So this book will give them an idea about how they can leverage the value of the data which they have been produced over a year in their business. So that data will give them the insights. And how to find those insights, everything is written in this book. So after reading this book, I am 100% sure that the person who was not having the idea how they can leverage the value of the data, how they can convert it into a gold mine. People used to say that now data is the new fuel. So that is true. So how they can, after getting into this book, they will be able to see each and everything, how they can do it. And it has been written in a very simple language and can be completed in just one sitting of 50-60 minutes. And that is very easy. Even then, if they feel stuck, that they are not able to get the answer of anything, my contact details are written in the end of the book. They can get in touch with me.
So you are completely and fully taking care of your readers, basically.
Yes, I have taken care every objection and everything, whatever, and I'm open to every channel where they can connect with.
और ये जो आपने डेटा इज अ न्यू फ्यूल, ये मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा आपका ये स्लोगन जो आपने बोला। और मुझे वो दिन याद आ रहा है जब आपने मुझे पिक्चर भेजी थी, आपकी सारी बुक आपने ऐसे सामने स्प्रेड की हुई थी और आप पीछे बैठे थे। वो पिक्चर मेरे फाइल में बार-बार आती है।
Now that picture is my DP of my WhatsApp group.
Oh wow!
Many people feel that those are not book. That is actually 2,000 rupees not gattis packets are lying there. So when they zoom it, then they realize it.
And now that book is really converting into business.
Yes. Now so I would say that this book is really can be helpful to any business owner. They can make money out of it.
Thank you so much. Thank you for your feedback, and I wish you greater authority and impact.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you.